the movement of the I'm not such a advert. Good to hear. Yeah, just kind of seeing these functions on you can from here check the broadcast details whereby you see broadcast details, ask for follow, ask for share, broadcast details, ask for follow, ask for share, as you can hide chat, you understand. So let me show you how this ask for follow works. So we can easily click here to send other people stuff to follow you, you understand, on X. So you can easily click there to show some people. You will see the three dots, the three uh, dots that is here. If we click on it, you can see broadcast details. This is when you can be able to see how many people who comes live, and also you still click there. You can ask people for follow requests sent. Here, ask for share. So you can ask share request, so whereby other people can be able to do what, to follow you on on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So if you want to hide a chat, you can hide some chat here or hide comment. So I'm just gonna give you guys tutorial. This kind of amazing, you understand? It's kind of extremely amazing. Seeing you can see scroll for old comments. You can do like this. You can see it. uh So you can just do like this. When you scroll a little, you can be able to see other comments uh, for when people drop some comment. So here, this thing like look like human being. You can see from it and get some pics. They call it pic. The people who is live with you and other things. So I'm kind of say, let me just have the time to give you the good news that X, you can now stream live on X. You can say it live on direct. It's kind of amazing, you understand? And their quality, the streaming quality is kind of top notch. So, and I just kind of trying to, I know it's just kind of a startup, so you will see monetization, but those ones it's not yet been synchronized. But with time, I'm kind of I'm 100% sure that Elon Musk going to add up those things, and the people benefit from their life as well. So just say this is today is Sunday, and just first time getting this, I said, okay, let me just pass it on to people so that they can be able to uh, you know have the information that X, now you can stream on X, you can live stream on X, you can do a lot of things on X. So congratulations, you guys! Congratulations, 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 X. Yep. Can see it. Stop
Let's start the
broadcast. Let
setup
me
now.
look. Stop broadcast. Audio and video calls are here, so you can still go and set it up. So everyone, video and the user, so on and so forth. So I don't want to synchronize that and that for now. So just kind of add it up for a meantime. Connect your book and other things. So address book. So let's change it to this for now. So this is how and also verify users. If you want to set this in, you can just on a common video call. You have to be verified. Okay, let me just put it. I'll set it back later. So this is going on X. So you can see it. It's my live, which is here. So let me just find a way to. You can follow me on X. You can see. You can follow me on X. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching.